Have you been trying to calculate your eBay managed payment fees and things just aren't lining up? You're like 20 cents off each calculation and you feel like eBay's charging you a little bit more than they should be? Like there's a hidden fee or something? I was running into this issue, and I think a couple of you were too, because I was receiving some comments about it, and I called eBay and I got it figured out. So I'm going to hop on my computer with you guys and show you the details. But first, welcome back to Inside the Box. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and follow along with my channel. I do videos about eBay and about ways you can make money with the skills and tools you already have. This is a video that's going into my eBay Managed Payments playlist, so make sure you go check out those other videos too. Quick disclaimer before I hop on my computer and show you guys what's going on. I do not work for eBay. I just sell on eBay as a hobby, so I share with you my own experiences. eBay has the right to change their website, their fees, anything, whenever they want to. I'm just sharing with you my personal experience with eBay. So that's a disclaimer there. I do not work for them. Also, disclaimer, I am not a tax expert. I'm going to talk a little bit about sales tax in this video, but I am not a tax expert. Now that being said, the hidden fees you're having on eBay, the reason why your calculations aren't matching up, at least for me, it was because of the sales tax that was different in each state. So the buyer is charged for the item, and they're charged for the shipping, and they're charged a sales tax, and you get to pay a fee on all three of those things. And I was only seeing the price of the item, what it sold for, and the shipping price. I was not understanding where to find the sales tax. It wasn't showing up in my total amount that I was calculating off of. So I ended up calling eBay and walking through this with them. I'm going to hop on the computer and explain this better to you and show you exactly where you can find the real total that the buyer has paid that includes that sales tax price, so you know what numbers to use when you're running your own eBay calculations. So let's hop on the computer and check it out. So I'm on eBay. I'm under my account, under payment options, under transactions. If you need help getting to this page, just go check out one of my other videos in my eBay managed payment list. I'm always hopping on this page so you can see how I got here. But I'm going to look at this first item here. I sold a lot of cassette tapes, and these were under the category of consumer electronics. So the fee I would owe on them is that 12.35% plus 30 cents, because right now I don't have an eBay store. So that's the calculation we're going to run with. And here is where I was making a mistake, and I think maybe some of you are doing the same thing. I looked at this amount, $18.40, and I multiplied it by 12.35% plus 30 cents to get my fee. When I did 18.40 times 12.35% plus 30 cents, I got $2.57. But eBay was charging me $2.76. That's 19 cents different. Why was there a 19 cents difference between my fee calculation and their fee calculation? The reason is because this number is not a true total amount of what the buyer paid. This number is just the cost of the item plus the shipping. This number does not include sales tax. Now, sales tax varies from state to state and varies depending on the category which your item sells in. But this number does not include that. However, this fee does include that sales tax because the fee is 12.35% plus 30 cents, and that is taken off the total of the price of the item, what it sold for, plus the shipping, plus the sales tax. So where can I go and find the amount that includes the sales tax? Well, underneath this picture here, there's transaction details. I'm going to click on that. It's going to take me to this page where I can see a transaction summary, and again I see $18.40, which was not the correct amount because that did not include the sales tax. So if I ran the calculations, I'd still get a wrong calculation. I have to go down to the bottom of the page here, next to the picture, where I see $19.92, and this is the true total. This is what the buyer really paid. The cost of the item plus the shipping plus the sales tax was $19.92. So when I run the calculations off the $19.92, when I go $19.92 times 12.35% plus 30 cents, I get $2.76, and that's where the fee was. So I was running off the wrong number when I was doing my calculations, and it was making it so that on some items I was 3 cents off, and other items I was 20 cents off. So in this case, I was 19 cents off because I was not running the calculation off the true total. I had to click in here and I had to see what that total was, including the sales tax. So if we go back to the previous page, it's frustrating to me that that sales tax doesn't show up in this amount. I think it would be simpler and easier to keep track of my eBay payments and the profits I'm making from eBay if that number was just included here, because now each time something sells, and if I want to double check that fee, I need to click into transaction details and look at the number next to the picture to run that calculation. So it just added another step for me. It makes it so not all of my fees are in one place anymore. So that's a little frustrating, but I hope that solved the problem for you guys. I hope you were able to see where to find the total amount and what amount you should actually be running your calculations off of. I hope this video was helpful. I know I was really excited to finally find an answer to this. So if this helped you out, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone else who has been having the same question or the same issue with eBay managed payments. Again, if you want to see more step-by-step eBay videos like this, or if you want to learn ways you can make money with the skills and tools you already have, the things that are inside your box, make sure you subscribe and follow along with my channel. Thanks everyone, and I'll catch you in my next video.